welcome back to my channel. This is Teju, and today we are going to be making a small experiment called Bubble Inside Bubble. Let's start. Okay, here are the ingredients we need to make the bubble inside the bubble. We need a spoon, we need a straw, a glass of water, dish soap, and sugar. Let's make bubble inside a bubble. First, we take a half glass of water and we take 1 spoon of sugar. And add it in. Next, we take the dish soap and add 2 spoons. 1, 2. Now, mix it well. So then, we take some and pour it on the table just like that. Make sure we spread it out. So in my first bubble. And here's the second. If you like this video, please try it out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.